my name is DHANUSH. I am from Krishna district, which is in AP. I'm a B.TECH graduate. I'm a B.TECH graduate of 2024 in the field of computer science and engineering. I joined in the Jspiders in the September 2024 as a full stack intern. Initially, we got started with the SQL, which was held by Mr. Revant Reddy sir. Later on, Java was started, which was held by Mr. Manjunath sir. With parallel to these subjects, web technology also. I also have learned web technology from Rohit sir and Shiva sir. Here in Jspiders, in these teachings, we will understand the technical core terms. And after every subject, they would keep the mock interviews to understand whether students are understanding the subject pretty well or not. Along with this, there are also grooming sessions when we are attending the interviews. These grooming sessions will teach for every students where the students understand how to answer a technical answer in the interview. After that, I got placed in a company.